lakad muna tayo. Step. Ito yung likod. Dito kami bumaba kagabi. And this is the hotel name. Bas muna tayo. So, kalik na. Tayo ngayon dito sa cafe. Natin yung Champagne Club. Dagat. May kalog. Yung hotel namin. Tayo sa ano, Taya Beach. Tingnan natin yung dagat. Where is the Taya Beach?
Maya Beach.
Ito yung nila
Hindi, sa kabila.
Saan yung ano, ito?
Hindi pa.
Malapit pa rin natin.
Hindi pa din. Ayan na, sininya na. Malapit na pala yung bigyan ng souvenir eh.
Sana tutuloyin natin pila.
Pwede siminto ito.
Pila kasi na may 5 kwarto.
Di ba?
Tapos may pila na kayo doon.
Parang
Lahat.
regular sa akin.
Tayo lang sa villa. Malayo. Hindi, ganun din.
Malayo.
Malayo lang.
Kasi pag naglalakad na tayo ng gabi,
Saan yung area nung na pinapanood natin na yung vlogger?
Beach side,
Doon siya nakatayo, doon siya nakatayo.
Dadaanan natin yun, dadaanan
Doon
natin.
siya nakatayo.
Punta natin yung mamaya.
Naglalakad siya.
sabihin mo, ibang grab yung ano yung ano yung barker. Video mo siya kita sa barker
Yan, yan.
barker.
Dulo niyan.
Okay lang.
Gumagana eh. Dito kami kumakain no. Dito.
Hindi na dahil.
Ano to hotel lang? Ano to hotel lang?
Kumain sila. Ah,
Napasunod mo na naman.
Ang sarap masahe dito, master.
Napagdagan lang ng mga turista.
Master, ano pa masahe, master? Una, maingay kami. Idiniin na nila, diniin na. Tulog lahat. Ay, daming mga nililot.
Parang Pinas lang din pero mas maunlad.
Oo nga. Nagawa na ng turista
Lalo na
kaya.
pag nagdamo ka, tapos mag-pilot ka, ay, bukas ka magigising.
Malinis pa din, no? Malinis talaga, no?
Gusto mo? Gusto mo? Gusto mo ha?
Nakakatipid ako ng ano eh. Nakakatipid ako ng data.
Diba?
Kasi nakaano ko sa kanya, nakakunik ako sa kanya.
Ilan GB ba kayo naman mababa?
Pag naubos nung...
O, di sa akin ka naman mag-connect.
Baterya, baterya.
Ah, baterya?
Okay lang GB ang kinuha mo SIM card.
Unlimited.
Patay mo yung data mo, yung ano mo para makatipid ka sa baterya. Ah, si ano pala?
Okay lang. Okay lang. Oo, okay lang.
Oo, okay lang.
Explain mo sa
Okay lang.
Pwede, kung lang sa akin, dahil
dapat lang ako sa bundok kasi bawal daw
Pwede naman doon, bibigyan ka naman.
Si baby nga gusto ko
Tayo nag-inom eh.
Pang Android.
Dyan.
Pag re-rebook kayo, magbabayad din kayo ng bagong ano. Parang ang nag-book ng bagong ticket.
Nung magapon tayo nilibot ngayon,
Kapay pahinga mo ano? Ano bukas yan?
pagurin natin yung matanda.
ano dali
Kala mo lang yung
Ha?
Okay still tayo, no?
Saan yun?
Oo.
Gabi maganda.
Oo, dali mo doon si Master
Okay.
kasi ano.
Tapos sa ano, pamasas tayo nun, tapos tulog na tayo nun. Ano muna tayo, wala.
Tapos iwan nyo lang kami doon ni Romeo doon. Okay na ba lang na namin babalik?
Ate, Lisa. Okay.
Ang aga ni Kuya Noli.
Si Master.
Aga mo gumising, no?
Yung mga damit niyang planchado na lahat.
Nagwalis ka lang sa labas.
Oo, nagwalis.
We're here. Sanctuary of Truth. Dito na kami. This is outside of Sanctuary of Truth. Dito tayo sa may ano, boat. Sawadika!
Thank you po. Thank you so much. Kapon ka.
Say hi to my
Kapag
vlog.
wala ka na daw bayad.
Thailand language.
Oh, kapon ka. Sorry ka, Tukoy.
Filipino.
Putang ina. Thank you po. Bye
Oo,
bye.
daw.
Thank you, ate.
Nagmumura yung Thailander doon, nagmumura.
Kaya nga. Sabi ko,
Sawadika!
Mehe ba to? Mehe pala to eh.
Ito yun eh. Nakabangs oh, may bangs.
Pero Roderick pa lahat ng malaki eh.
Yan si Totoy.
Ito, gawin kitang Disney princess. Tiger rito. Pinagbabantay magpipila. Sir, kaya tayo magpa-event oh.
Kaya oh, ganda ng hole, no? Event hole. Dito tayo mag-fishing.
Nilay special, rowing boat, speedboat, hot curry, horror.
May fishing ba?
Ilog.
Ganda. Ah, pwede dumaan dyan?
Tabing dagat?
Hindi.
Tubig hindi ba?
Hindi.
Dagat?
Hindi. Hindi dagat yan.
Ano yan? Tubig yan eh. Ano sa tubig? Nasa tubig yung ano?
Hindi, master.
Yung temple?
Ayun o, yung temple. Bababa pa tayo doon. Iikot pa tayo papunta doon. Maghihintay pa tayo ng tour dito. Be-briefing tayo dito eh.
Ah, ito viewpoint. Dito muna ako sa viewpoint.
Pwede naman dito sa viewpoint eh. Magpipicture ka eh.
English to, right?
English, yes.
English to read and get into it.
Yes, yes. Okay. English tour tayo, English tour.
Naka-speaker lang yun.
Lalabas ko yung katam ko ron ah.
Pwede ka.
Ano yan? DPWH in Thailand.
สวัสดีครับ 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 to all of you. Welcome to Thailand, the land of smile, especially for this place, the sanctuary of throat music. How are you today?
Good.
Good, right?
Yes.
Great. So, everyone, this is the English guided tour 310. This is the service and complimentary from this sanctuary of truth for all of you. So, I would like to invite all of you to walk around with me at the first time. Listen about wonderful information from my explanation. Our tour not too long, just only an hour. However, after that, it's your big free time to enjoy by yourself, take a photo and record video until 6 o'clock. Are you okay?
Yeah.
Moreover about this, the helmet. Why we need to wear the helmet? Because there is ongoing process for install the new artwork. However, we just wear the helmet for safe and make sure only. Also, we need to wear the helmet because we follow Thai laws. Wherever it has scaffolding, we need to wear the helmet. Anyway, the helmet is free size. If you feel uncomfortable, you can adjust by rotate the screw. So, in terms of design, here we got the blueprint from the founder already.
Master. Pencil.
I know you feel wonderful and interesting about this, but can I have your attention first, please? Okay, let's go together step by step. Okay, over here, please. Over here, please. All right, everyone. This is the model of Sanctuary of Truth. This model can represent that the Sanctuary of Truth has 3 special points about the structure, which is all wood, all can touch it. However, no nails at all. The building of Sanctuary of Truth can built with our hands. Let's see how we can do it over there. This way, please, this way, over here, please. You can support right here, please. Right here, please, right here. Okay, good. You can move over here first as well. Okay, let's send space for the order. Over here, please. Right now, it's only 1981. Once again, 44 years since 1981. Formed Thai philosophical couple called Mr. Lek and Mrs. Tapai Viriyapat. About the design, the Sanctuary of Truth was built by the pattern of 4 halls in 4 directions, like the cross. We call this pattern as Jatulamuk, that inspired from Thai archipelagos called Sanket Prasat. Moreover, the Sanctuary of Truth not just only inspired from Thai traditional art. This place also brings from a lot of different artwork as well, especially for Indian and Chinese to become contemporary. The building of Sanctuary of Thrones was built to represent about the 7 core country, 7 main part, home, the 7 truths of life, for each part inside there. That's why the hall over there, that is the exit, not the front. So, I want to
Yun ang gusto ko.
So, all of them represent about the next topics, the next idea, which is the self-development in school. So, all of them might be the beautiful small part of the life growth somehow for all of us. Moreover, for each of them mentioned by their own beautiful proverb. Let's start from the first. The picture over here represents about the proverb of treat everyone with politeness, even who wrong to you. Not because they are nice, but because you are. So this one represents about the group of students. Be humble to the teacher. Even though in the past, this teacher related to all of them. Afterward, also give that teacher and this represent about the group of people. In fact, to the character. Over there as well. All of them are same concept, which is people precious as well. Over here, please. Over here, please. That's what this will. The younger generation. Ni huwag ituwa na ako. Dia huwag ituwa.
Patay naman, oh. Tagraben eh. Makapastura, oh.
Yung ano ba yung formahan ng mga tito ba? Uwing.
Oo,
Ganda pa rin yun. Master, para ka sa Matrix Master. Si Blade. Magpa-print tayo yan sa sabi.
Kaya lang, dito
Can
ka.
I have the soft copy?
Sister, why this one is not wood?
Email or how is it?
Plastic. Wood carving. Wood carving? Plastic rin ginamit. Hindi yung original nila. Ano, BB.
Ang layo nga lang turo ni Louie. Ang layo.
Edit na. Hindi alam mo.
Bilog ko yung mukha ni Totoy.
Parang lunong picture eh.
Kay Totoy, bilog ko yung
Lunong picture. Parang picture ng mga high school, di ba?
May soft
Picture
copy tayo ibang
Picture ng mga high school, pare ko eh. Medyo may ano, no? May yung fix, no? Gay dice naman, gay dice. Parang lumang picture, no? Gay dice, no? Nag-post kanina, right? Solo lang yan. Saan na nga siya? Nasabay niya kanina. Dudutan pa naman sa atin ngayon, di ba? Sabi ko siya rito. Oo. Na-imbitahan siya.
Kulang ka pa rin.
Hindi ba sa Abu Dhabi ba?
Sa Abu Dhabi.
Kapit.
Siguro lang ang mga ticket sa ating kapag mula dun.
Ayun.
Oo.
Ayan, habang kumakain. Hindi, picturean ko kayo. Kasama sa picture. Picturean ko kasama itong picture. Kasama ka dyan eh. Para habang kumakain tayo, lagi lang nasa table. Kasama nyo lang lagi. Oo, picturean natin na. Pero plastic yung ginamit. Hindi ba yan? Dapat ano?
tayo doon. 10 minutes.
May mini-sip pa to. Punta tayo sa soup. Uy, walang bayad yun sa soup.
Ah, wala.
Ano sa soup? Sa soup. Sa soup. Mini-soup.
Nadadaan dito? May exit dito.
Ito daw eh. May doon daw dito eh.
Binigay mo sa akin, pisa eh.
Wala na.
Kasamput ko yan.
Lambot chocolate nila. Samput ko yun.
Wala pang gumagawa ng ganyan design master no? Totoo no?
Oh, wala pa.
Ang Buddha no? Yung common na Buddha no?
May mga Shiba, di ba?
Oo.
Marta na ulit yun.
Ahoy oh. Nakayakap sa puno.
Connected sa nature talaga.
Thank you.
Other people are becoming responsible with good intentions, giving good thoughts, words, and deeds to start from us as we bring peace to society. On the highest top is a goddess riding a horse, holding a bird with a flock. That being symbolizes success, become one of the all four characters, understanding and doing right.
Mayo. May camel.
Okay, no more English at 4:40. This is the last call for
Ball only?
Dilap yung ano? Puti?
Red snapper.
Parang yan yung ano,
Mutla na.
isda dun sa ilog kanina.
Ano spicy?
Oo. Nuri pala, ano?
Spicy.
Spicy.